Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi distributes 51,000 appointment letters to new recruits in government departments and organizations. "218 candidates received their appointment letters at the 8th phase of Rozgar Mela in Shillong. Regional meeting between Assam and Meghalaya to conduct joint visit to Langpi by September end. And SP West Janta Hills issued clarification on allegations on Meghalaya police. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today distributed over 51,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits through video conferencing. This was the 8th edition of the Rozgar Mela, which was held in 45 different places across the country. Through this Rozgar Mela, the Ministry of Home Affairs recruited personnel in various Central Armed Police Forces, Narcotic Control Bureau, as well as Delhi Police. Addressing on this occasion, the Prime Minister called the new appointees as Amrit Rakshak, saying that they will not only serve the country but will also protect the country and the countrymen.
इस बार रोजगार मेला का ये आयोजन एक ऐसे माहौल में हो रहा है जब देश गर्व और आत्मविश्वास से भरा हुआ है। गर्व से भरे इस क्षण और ऐसे समय में आप अपने जीवन की सबसे महत्वपूर्ण यात्रा शुरू करने जा रहे हैं।
218 candidates received their appointment letters today at the 8th phase of Rozgar Mela in Shillong. The 8th phase of Rozgar Mela 2023 was organized at the headquarters of Directorate General of Assam Rifles at Latkor, Shillong today. The function was graced by Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, the Minister of State for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India. The Rozgar Mela commenced with the inaugural address of the Prime Minister via video conference. During the event, the Minister handed over the appointment letters to the newly appointed employees from different ministries and departments.
मोदी जी ने देश को आश्वासन दिया था कि एक साल में करीब 10 लाख लोगों को और नौकरियां देंगे। उसी के तहत ये कार्यक्रम चल रहा है। देश के वैज्ञानिकों ने चंद्रयान 3 को ऊपर पहुंचाकर ये देश का नाम रोशन किया है। पूरा देश कुशलता के साथ हर्षोल्लास मना रहा है और बधाइयां भी दे रहा है। और गेम्स में जिस बच्चे ने अभी जो विजय से प्राप्त की है उसको भी मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं और देश में उसे बधाई दे रहा हूं।
Regional committee meeting between Assam and Meghalaya decided to conduct a joint visit to Langpi by September end. The regional committee meeting between the West Khasi Hills district and the Kamrup Rural to settle border difference at Langpi was held at Pinewood Hotel, Shillong. Chairman in charge of Kamrup District Sector, Chandra Mohan Patowari, and Chairman of West Khasi Hills Regional Committee, Paul Lingdo, during their interaction with media, said substantive progress reached as the committee has narrowed the number of such areas of conflict as 2 DCs are entrusted with the task to come with names of the villages.
Not an issue which cannot be solved. We have narrowed down the number of such areas. And to go to specifics, that is to go to the exact villages, names of villages or hamlets, the 2 DCs as well as the local MDC have been entrusted with the task of preparing a list which will then the 2 regional committees will again meet after the end of the assembly sessions.
The Superintendent of Police, West Janta Hills, Chempang Shirti, in a press release clarified on the allegations on social media that Meghalaya police ran away fearing the Karbi people. He said that while the police team went to make an inquiry on the setting up of a shed by the Assam police in an area which the Karbi people claimed to be well within Assam, while lapping up residents claimed to be within Meghalaya, a mob from Assam side came to charge the police team and also pelted stones and demanded the police team to go back since they claimed that the area falls under Assam. He also informed that the Assam police were contacted and they reached the spot and later they controlled the crowd from their side. Likewise, the crowd from the Meghalaya side was controlled to not proceed further into the area of difference. A 5-day workshop and experience centered around 3 key themes: communication, scientific thinking and well-being, recently concluded at Adventist Higher Secondary School in Tershi. The workshop was organized by Avenues, a social enterprise in Meghalaya, under the project Apex Human Skills for the Future, specifically designed for students. Mabel L. Kinta, Additional Deputy Commissioner of West Janta Hills District, graced the program as the chief guest. During her keynote address, Jasmine Pearl Stone Latplank, Academic Head of Avenues, highlighted the significance of this workshop in encouraging students to pursue science and mathematics subjects. She emphasized that the initiative aims to dispel any misconceptions that may hinder their confidence in these subjects.
As Avenue celebrates her 20th year of being in the system of education and empowerment of our youth across the state, as a social enterprise we celebrate our 20th year this year, and today was the closing of one of many of our pilot projects, Apex, and we've had a lot of interaction with the community.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today congratulated on securing gold for the country at the World Athletics Championship in Budapest, Hungary. In a social media post, Modi hailed the athlete as a paragon of excellence. The Prime Minister also lauded Chopra for his precision and passion, not just as a champion in athletics, but also as a symbol of unparalleled excellence in the sports world. The closing ceremony and the medal ceremony of the 10th North-East Zone Shooting Championship 2023 was held yesterday at the indoor shooting range of the Assam Regimental Centre, Happy Valley, Shillong. The event was organized by the Shooting Association of Meghalaya, which was attended by shooters from the different parts of the state. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 26.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 15.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 88%, while in the evening it was 66%. Forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi distributes 51,000 appointment letters to new recruits in government departments and organizations. 218 candidates received their appointment letters at the 8th phase of Rozgar Mela in Shillong. Regional meeting between Assam and Meghalaya to conduct joint visit to Langpi by September end. And SP West Janta Hills issued clarification on allegations on Meghalaya police. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.